ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me give an internal forces and we will try to find out the external force.
Okay, sir.
Recall ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ recall ಮಾಡೋಣ what we did in the last class ಅಂತ. First thing is that connected bodies ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. connected bodies ಅಲ್ಲಿ boundary system ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, system boundary ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. system boundary ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, applied force minus opposing force, ಎರಡು applied force ಅನ್ನು we cannot tell like this. A force which was responsible for momentum minus force which is responsible for opposing is equals to m into a. Concepts very serious ಆಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಿಂದಿಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಡೋ ಫೋರ್ಸು, ನಿಲ್ಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸು, ಓಡಿಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸು, ನಿಲ್ಸೋ ಫೋರ್ಸು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಔಟ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡೀಸ್. Force which is responsible for momentum of a body minus opposing force is equals to m into a. Right? Shall we move to second problem? Second kind of questions based on connecting bodies. Right? Super. Matadra.
Yes, sir.
Right? Yes, sir. Very good. So I have a box of mass 6 kg and I have box of mass 3 kg and again I have a box of mass 1 kg. First time ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ so that we will get a questions based on this. F1 is force which is acting in this direction and F2 is force which is acting in this direction. Let me assume the force is acting in this direction. No, standard question ತಗೋಣ ಬೇಡ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ವಾಪಸ್. F2 is acting in this direction with a force of 13 Newton. 13 Newton. They have given T1 is equals to 40 Newton. They have given T1 is equals to 40 Newton. They are asking us to find F1. Find F1. F1 na find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Find F1. This was the question given in the examination. But ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು next net force ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We will implement our knowledge on this. Listen to me very carefully. How to find the value of F1. F1 ನ find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? I know that
Sir, T2 value.
T2 value is not given, sir. T2 value is not given. They have given only T1 value. T1 value. T1 is acting in this direction and T1 is acting in this direction. What I will do, I will separate into a two boxes. If I use this box, I cannot find out A value. Find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ because
Yes.
I don't know the force which is responsible for momentum, so I cannot find out the A value. If you see this box, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ you can find out the value of A because they have given force which is acting in this direction as well as in this direction. Correct? Which force is responsible for momentum of a body? ಅಂದ್ರೆ force given na ಇಲ್ಲ, A calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವೀಗ. We have to find the value of A first. So 40 is greater than 13, correct?
Yes.
40 is greater than 13. The force which is responsible for momentum of a body is 40 na
40, sir.
minus opposing force is 13 na.
Yes,
In
sir.
cancel ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇದು internal forces get cancelled because I have taken it as a
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
internal
Yes, sir.
forces is cancelled. Momentum force is 40 and opposing force is 13 is equals to 6
9 into A.
9A. Find the value of A. So 27 is equals to 9A.
3.
Therefore, A is equals to 3 meter per second square. It is moving in this direction now. A is equal to 3 meter per second square. Right. Then you can find the value of F now. Body is moving in this direction. Force which is responsible for momentum of a body is F1 minus opposing force is 40 is equals to M is 1 and A is 3. Therefore, F1 is equals to 43 Newton. Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
F1 is equal to 43 Newton.
Easy.
Easy, Jala. There is a second kind of question may ask in the examination. They will give the internal force and they will ask you to find out an external force. Right? What is the net force on 6 kg? First again, respond madi. What is the net force
18.
on 6 kg? 18. What is the net force on 3 kg?
9.
9. What is the net force on 1 kg?
3 Newton. Yes, sir.
What about others? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್. right? What is the net force on this kg? 6 into 3, 18. Net force on this 3 into 3, 9. Net force on this 3.
3.
So simple ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಉಡಾಯಿಸಿ. ರೈಟ್ ರೈಟ್ I have an experience about you formula ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು T1 T2 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ a lot to solve this. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್, ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ opposing force, opposing force. Right? Shall we move to next question based on this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I think I have given two kinds of question. Nanne class alli one question kottide. When the force is given, find the internal force. Second question I have taken today is internal force is given, they are asking us to find the force. Even calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, what the problem, whatever the problem they've given connected bodies, first you find out the value of A. Find out the direction which is moving. A find out ಮಾಡಿ first. Are you getting my point? Find the value of A first. A find out ಮಾಡಿ, acceleration ಬಂತು. If they ask you to find out the net force, find A, multiply with that mass. Right? So let me move to the third kind of question in this connecting bodies. Third kind of question. What is the third kind of question andre? They will not give the rope now. Rope kodala. Instead of that, they will connect the bodies like this. They will not give the rope. They will connect like this. The boxes are connected like this. These are also connected bodies. They are connected with each other. Let me assume the force of 60 Newton is acting in this direction. 60 Newton is acting in this direction, and 30 Newton is acting in this direction. Opposing force. 60 Newton is acting, and 30 Newton is acting in opposite to this. Let me take the masses of the boxes are 15 kg, 10 kg, and 5 kg. 10 kg, 5 kg. So they will ask you to find out acceleration. Simple again. One day line acceleration. They will ask you to find out an acceleration. What is the acceleration for this? Is to time
1 meter per second square, sir.
Super. Is to time ತಗೊಂಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು acceleration ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Acceleration is very simple to find here. 60 minus 30, 38.
Yes.
Which is greater here? 60 is greater than 30, na?
Yes, sir. 60 minus 30.
The body will move in this direction. Obviously, the body will move in this direction. Now, force responsible for momentum is 60. Opposing force is 30. Is equals to 30 into A. The masses of this is 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Therefore, A is equal to 30, 30. 1 meter per second square.
Yes.
Examination questions are 1 meter per second square. So observe here, what they may ask in this. Let me think. Force between 10 kg and 5 kg careful. Force between 10 kg and 5 kg careful. How to find out the force between 10 kg and 5 kg? Listen to me carefully. These two bodies are in contact. Sir, contact.
Yes, sir.
The 10 kg will apply force on this 5 kg. Let me call it as N1, normal force. The 5 kg will apply force on this 10 kg in this direction. That is called normal one. So this to be equal and opposite area. The force between 10 kg and 5 kg is that. If you find the normal, you are done. How to find a normal? Observe this. Hold this and extend like this. Extend body. It will become 2 boxes, 5 kg, and it will become 1 box, 25 kg.
Yes, sir.
25.
ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, N find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್, N1 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 kg ಉಳಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 25 kg ಉಳಿತು. Correct? So let me take this box now. Let me take this box to find out now. Sir. Who is responsible for momentum of this box? ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Who is responsible for momentum of this box?
30 Newton.
30 opposite ಇದೆ ಕಂದ. Body is
60 Newton, sir.
60 Newton, sir.
16 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬನ್ನಿ. Who is responsible for momentum of this
Sir,
body
10
now?
kg mass ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
N1.
Yes, sir. N1.
ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ 15, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. N1 is acting in this direction, N1 is acting in this direction. N1, N1. Who is responsible for the, ulta ಇದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ act ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ box ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ act ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So who is responsible for momentum of this box? N1
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is responsible for momentum of the 5 kg box? N1. Who is opposing this? 30 kg, 30
Newton.
Is equals to 5 into, just now I found the value of A, 1. Therefore, N1 is equals to 35 na?
Yes.
35 Newton. The force between 10 kg and 5 kg is, the force between 10 kg and 5 kg is 35 Newton. ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. You get the same answer. If you calculate from this side also, you get same answer. Who is responsible for momentum of these two boxes? 60 Newton.
60 N.
60.
Yes, sir.
Who is opposing this? N1 is opposing this.
N1.
N1 is opposing this. Is equals to 15 plus 10, 25.
25
A is 1.
into 1.
A is 1. Therefore, N1 is equal
N1
to
is equal to 35 Newton.
35.
Newton. I'll get back the same answer if you take the two boxes. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, find the force between 10 kg and 15 kg. ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Find the force between 10 kg and 15 kg. Force between 10 kg and 15 kg. 10 kg and 15 kg. The force which is acted on this is N2, and force which is acted on this is N2. Find N2 now. N2 find out now. N2 find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Put the force here. Extend here. Who is responsible for momentum of this 15 kg? 60 na?
60.
60. Who is opposing this?
N2.
N2. Superb. Who is opposing this? N2 is equals to 15.
15 into 1.
Into 1. So therefore N2
45
is
Newton, sir.
45 Newton. 45 Newton. As a force between 10 kg and 15 kg is 45 Newton.
Yes, sir. बताइए.
Any difficulty with this kind of question?
No, sir.
Comment ಮಾಡಿ, so that we will move to next kind of question. Bigger, fast, right? We'll move to next kind of questions. Vertical ಹೋಗೋಣ next. We'll move to vertical. This is horizontal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let me move to vertical. Right. Right? Shall we move to next kind of question? Vertical.
Yes, sir.
Vertical. Same concept use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, but ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Vertical. A force is acted on the two boxes which have connected with a wire. What they will ask ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. 400 Newton is acting up. F is equals to 400 Newton is acting upward. ಇದು 5 kg. ಇದು 10 kg. 5 kg and 10 kg. Two boxes I have taken 5 kg and 10 kg. Right? Observe ಮಾಡಿ. What they will ask ಅಂದ್ರೆ, they will ask you to find out an acceleration of this. ನಾನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. It is visible for you, right?
Visible, sir.
Visible, right? Visible. Fine. ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು,
Right? Acceleration, they will ask you to find out an acceleration. Second thing, they will ask you to find out tension. They may ask you to find out tension. And third thing, that they may ask you to find out the net force on each point. Net force में calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the possible question in this. These are the possible question in this. They will give the diagram and they will ask you to find out an acceleration, tension, or net force, any one of this. Let me go one by one. Let me start with acceleration first. How to find out an acceleration? Listen to me very carefully. 10 kg, 15 kg. 10 kg, 5 kg. Total ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 15 kg ಆಯ್ತು. Correct? 15 kg. The weight which is acting downwards is 150 Newton.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. 15 plus 10, 10 plus 5, 15 kg. The weight which is acting downwards is 15 kg. 150 Newton. 400 is very much greater than 150. 400 is greater than 50, 150. Therefore, the body will move in this direction. The body will move in this direction. Find out the value of A. Find out the value of A. Force responsible for momentum of a body is 400. Opposing force is 150. Is equals to 15 into A. Find the value of A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ 250 ಬರುತ್ತಾ 250 is equals to 15 into A. Therefore, A is equals to 250 by 15. 250 by 15. The reason 50 is 50 by 3 na meter per
Yes, sir.
square. Meter per second square. Right, sir. We done with this. Acceleration 1. Tension not sir. T is a tension acting in this, T is a tension acting in this. You can find out the tension in both the cases. Error box counter marble. Let me take this box. Let me take this box. Observe. Which force is responsible for momentum of this box? Which force is responsible for momentum of this box?
T1.
T. Okay, fine. T1. T. T. Who is opposing this?
150 Newton.
Check my 150 alignment. Who is opposing this? I'm taking only this box. I'm taking only this box. Who is responsible here? 100 Newton.
Yes, sir.
100 Newton is
MG,
responsible. MG. 100 Newton is responsible for the opposing. 100 Newton is equals to M into M is 10. A is 50 by 3. A is 50 by 3. So T is equals to 500 divided by 3 plus 100. So T is equals to 500 plus 300 divided by 3. So therefore
800 by
800 divided by 3 Newton. 800 divided by 3 Newton.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 150 Newton MG ನೇ ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
Total. I have taken this box now.
Yes, sir.
ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು mass 10 into G 10 into 10 100.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಈ box ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ you have to take only this. ಅವಾಗ 15 Newton ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ. So let me calculate it by using this box also. T calculate ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We will get the same
10 kg ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ?
5 kg ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 10 kg ಆಪೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ವಿಲ್ಪನ. Just now we divided that into two parts. ಅಲ್ಲಿ horizontal divide ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Even though the forces are acting, we divided into that boundary ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ? Similarly, we are making a boundary here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 Newton ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 400 is equals to 50 plus T. 50, sorry, ulta barkondadu. 400 is moving force and opposing force is 50. Adr jote innondide T is equals to 5 into acceleration ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 50 by 3. 50 by 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 350 minus T is equals to 250 by 3. Correct? 250 by 3. I want to find the value of T. 350 plus 250 by 3 is equals to T. Find the value, you'll get back 800 by 3 again. But okay, fine. Minus I got minus. We'll get back 800 by 3 again. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct. By taking, be careful that opposing force ಮತ್ತೆ weight ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
Yes, sir. Opposing force ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ.
weight ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. If you take the weight properly in this case, you can do the problem ಹಿಂಗೆ. ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 150 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ಈ ತರ
ಬಂದು
ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಡಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಬಾಡಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಂಡ್ 150 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಜೋಶಾಗಿ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Shall we move to next kind of question?
Yes sir.
How about others? Is it
ಸರ್ ಅದು 800/3 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? 900 minus 250 650 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 650/3 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದು
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 1050 minus 250/3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ಬಲೈಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 0 3 5
ಸರ್ ನಾನು 300 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 350 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
9 10 1050 minus 250/3
800
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
therefore it is equal to 800/3. ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ನಾನು ದೈವವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Shall we move to next kind of question in vertical motion?
Yes.
Very good. Next kind of question ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, how they will ask ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. There will give boxes. There will give boxes. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 box ತಗೊಂಡು there will give boxes. I'll take 3 boxes. 1 to 7 kg. Standard question ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 to 7 kg. 7 kg. The entire system is moving at constant velocity 2 meters per second. The entire body is moving with constant velocity 2 meters per second. Entire body is moving with constant velocity 2 meters per second. Find the value of F on second. Find the value of F. Entire body is moving with constant velocity 2 meters per second. Find the value of F. Is the question. How to find an answer for this? A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, observe ಮಾಡಿ. This velocity is constant. If the velocity is constant, what is acceleration? If velocity remains
Zero.
Zero. If velocity remains constant, what is acceleration? 0. If acceleration is 0, this force should be balanced with this force.
Yes sir.
Very good. This force should be balanced with this force. Then F is equals to, the force which is acting here is 10 Newton. Suppose the force which is acting here is 20 Newton.
20 Newton.
And force which is acting here is 70 Newton. Therefore it is equals to 100 Newton. Alright sir, I found the value of F. F is equal to 100. Simple like this sir. The entire body is moving with constant velocity 2 meters per second. Then the acceleration is 0. If the acceleration is 0, then the forces should be balanced. Entire body is moving with constant velocity. The forces are balanced. Right?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 20 70 ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು g ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
100%. Total mass acting on this is 7 plus 2 30. Sorry, 9 plus 1.
Sir, but mg acting downward alva sir?
Agli bidi sir, downward. 7 to 1. Total is ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? 10 kg downwards, 100 Newton.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಈ ಸರಿ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್, ಬೌಂಡರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕೆಜಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಕೆಜಿ? 1 to 7 ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ಆಯ್ತು? 10 ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 100 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, 100.
ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ನೋಡಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The entire system is moving with constant velocity like this.
Yes sir.
The entire system is moving with constant velocity like this.
Okay,
Net
sir.
force acting on each box is 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಾಸ್ Equal and opposite ಇದ್ದಾಗ the body will move.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 10 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 10 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ is still moving. There is a possibility of moving of this. Then first
Yes,
class
sir, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು.
Shall we
Sir,
move?
when it has constant velocity, no, sir, it can move.
Yes, it's going with constant velocity and acceleration is 0. It's not accelerating as well. Force apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Force applied is same. Force applied is same on both sides.
Both applied, force applied on both sides is same. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೇಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Shall we move to next kind of questions asked in this? ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Yes, sir.
They'll ask you to find out the tension. Tension find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So let me take this is T1.
Sir, net force ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Net force is equals to 0. Yes, of course. Net force 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. But body move ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. T2. But net force on individual will be different. 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ net force. F is equals to ma. Ma is
Yes,
0.
sir.
Net force on this is 0. Net force on this is 0. Net force on this is 0. M into
Yes.
M into E. Right? So let me try to find out the value of T1. T1 find out part 1. T1 find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಈ box ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Let me take this box to find out the T1. Which is the force responsible for momentum of a body? Which is the force responsible
T1.
for momentum of a body? T1.
T1.
Minus opposite forces.
100.
Only 7.
70.
Minus opposite forces 70.
70.
Is equal to 0. Acceleration is 0. LHS, RHS will remain 0.
T1 is equal to 70 Newton.
70 Newton. T1 is equal to 70 Newton. Is it right?
Right, sir.
Very good. In ತಗೋಣ, T2 calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. T2 calculate ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಈ part ತಗೋಣ. Which is force responsible for momentum of a body? 100?
100.
100? Who is opposing this? 10?
T2.
10.
10, 10, yes, sir, 10.
And T2, both. Correct? 10 and T2 both. Opposite direction. Is equals to 0. Therefore, 90 minus T2 is equals to 0. Therefore,
T2 is equal to 90.
90. T2 is equals to, right?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
T2. Change ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
T2, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
So this completes your connecting bodies. Connecting bodies ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್
complete ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್. This is not a string. ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್
ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ a string. ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸರ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ವಾ? So that is not a tension imbalance, that is force applied. String ಅಲ್ಲ, force applied in this direction. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ವಯರ್. ಇದು ವಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಏನಾ?
Yes.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Yes, force applied. So let me move to a next very important concept. It's called inclined motion. Inclined plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. This is very important, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. Inclined plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Inclined plane. Careful ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Afterwards, you can solve problem based on this very easily. Analysis na first observe ಮಾಡಿ. Where you will get theta, where you will get sin theta, cos theta. First correct ಆಗಿ observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, then the rest of the problems are very simple for you. Shall we start? Increase your concentration and listen to me now. Inclined plane. Next concepts. Inclined plane. What is this? Inclined plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು horizontal, ಇದು vertical, these are inclined, nothing else apart from this. This is inclined with an angle theta. With an angle theta, right? Let me assume that the box is kept here. Box still here. The mass of the box is m. The mass of the box is m. Forces pareda first again. What are the forces acting on this body? One is vertically downwards. One is vertically downwards. We call it as m into g. Superb, sir. M into g. Other one is acting perpendicular to the normal. Other one is acting perpendicular to the surface. That is called normal. Superb. I got two forces. The mass of the box is m. The vertically downward force is mg, and other one is acting perpendicular to the surface is normal. Observe very carefully. I'll divide this into two parts. Andre end madana. If this is theta, first angle find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ. If this is theta, this is 90 na. ಇದು theta ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು 90 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yes sir.
100%. This will become 90 minus theta na. This will become 90 minus theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Observe. I'll put a straight line which is parallel to this inclination. ಒಂದು parallel to inclination line ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು parallel to inclination line ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು perpendicular to inclination line ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಒಂದು parallel to inclination ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು perpendicular to inclination ಇದೆ. I'll write in ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ because I have to write lot of things there. ಏನೇನೋ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Inclined ಇದೆ, and this is mass of the body, and mass of the body is m. Weight is acting downwards. This is m into g, and perpendicular to the surface, one force is acting, that is called normal. Parallel to this, I put one line. Parallel to this one line actually. Perpendicular to this one line actually. I have only two lines. This is parallel to inclination, and this is perpendicular to inclination. Sorry, answer in bari tadilla. Is it very important? Yes, of course, sir, this is very important. Adike line hakon bari. Mg is acting downwards. This is called as an angle of inclination. If this is theta, this is 90. Therefore, this will be equals to 90 minus theta. Na? Yes, sir. It is equals to 90 minus theta. Observe. This total is 90. Perpendicular to this total is 90. Then this will be equals to theta. Na? Matadi, sir. Matadi?
Yes sir. Corresponding angle.
Notice sir, complete angle from here to here. Illinda illige complete angle 90 minus, sorry, complete angle is 90. This is 90 minus theta. Therefore, this angle will become theta. Na? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mg acting in this direction with an angle theta. E component ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, perpendicular component ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, will get mg cos theta. Na? Theta ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, mg cos theta ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
Yes.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ mg
sin theta.
sin theta.
ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನೀವು. ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ mg sin theta ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ನೆನಪಿರುತ್ತಾ? ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ mg sin theta. ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್, ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್? mg sin theta.
mg sin theta.
mg sin theta. The force which is responsible for body moving in this direction is mg sin theta. mg cos theta ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? It cancels with normal. It cancels with normal. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. ನೋಡೋಣ parallel ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. What happens in parallel? Observe. Parallel to the inclination. The force which is responsible for momentum of a body is mg sin theta. Na?
mg sin theta.
mg sin theta. Opposing forces. Body ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. The force which is responsible for the momentum of the body is mg sin theta. Opposing force for this is ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್. Who is opposing this?
0 0.
Opposing force ಇಲ್ಲ sir.
Nobody is opposing this. 0. Therefore, m into a. M into A. Therefore, mm cancel, mm cancel. Therefore, A is equal to G sin theta. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? A is equal to G sin theta ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Super. Where theta is called as an angle of inclination. Where theta is called as an angle of inclination. Where G is called as an acceleration due to gravity. Suppose theta 30 degree there. What is an answer for G? Sorry, what is an answer for A? Theta 30 degree there. What is an answer for A?
5 meter per second square.
G by sin theta. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. G by 2 agata?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So it is very easy to find out an acceleration if I know the theta value. Simple answer, yeah. Let me go for perpendicular. Perpendicular again. N is equals to mg cos theta because this is balanced. Balanced. Why it is balanced? Acceleration in this direction is 0. Acceleration in this direction is 0. Hence n is balanced with mg cos theta. Done, sir.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? n is equals to mg cos theta ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನು ಸರ್?
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಂದ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ mg sin theta na?
Yes, sir.
Does the body move in this direction?
No, sir.
Andre ಈ direction acceleration is 0 na?
Yes, sir.
If acceleration is this in this direction is 0, there should be a two forces balanced.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವ force? One is normal.
n ಮತ್ತೆ mg cos theta.
Done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt with this? Very important, very serious concept. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ? Why we are feeling it very easy? Because we know the concept. mg sin theta minus 0 is equal to ma. Therefore, a is equal to g sin theta. To find the value of a, just if I know the value of theta, I can find out the value of a in case of inclination. Next, in perpendicular direction, n is equals to mg cos theta. N is equal to mg cos theta. Shall we move to next concept?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Fully ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸರ್. ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ನೌ. ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Normal is acting here. Equal and opposite. I am not considering a normal here. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. I am not considering a normal here. Equal and opposite ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Right? Shall we move? Fully. Very good. Very good. So I am not getting response with others. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ನೋಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಈ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫುಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. weight is acted in this direction. Let me call it as m2. And weight is acting in this direction. I hang it two masses m1.
Sir, is this ideal pulley, sir?
It's an ideal pulley. We will take an ideal pulley. It's an ideal pulley. Ideal pulley means it is massless, frictionless. The wire can easily move on the pulley. Observe. Here force ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ first. The weight is acting downwards. Let me call it as m1g. And weight is acting downwards. Let me call it as m2g. Tension is acting in this direction. Let me call it as d. Tension is acting in this direction. Let me call it as d. Because this wire is same, then the tension remains same. No doubt in this. Correct? No doubt in this. For time being, let me take that m1 is greater than m2. For time being, let me take it as m1 is greater than m2. What happens now? m1 is greater than m2 ಅನ್ಕೋಣ mass. m1 is greater than m2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ?
M1 ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ.
It accelerates in this direction and this will accelerate in this direction. Correct? ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This body will come down and this body will move up. Yes. Correct, sir? Correct, sir? Then find out this acceleration. Then find out this acceleration. Body na again boundary impact. Again make it as a boundary. To find out A, again make it as a boundary. Sir, boundary em martira. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Who is responsible for momentum of the body? Who is responsible for momentum of the body? M1G. Who is opposing this? Who is opposing this?
T.
T.
No, TT get cancelled. Merge ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ TT cancel ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Who is responsible for opposing this? M2G.
M2G.
M2G merge ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ TT cancel ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Complete box. M1G is responsible for momentum. M2G is responsible for opposing. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆರಡು linear ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ one force is acting in this direction, one is acting in this direction. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Correct.
Correct. Is equals to m1 plus m2 into a. Find the value of a from this. A is equals to m1 minus m2 into g divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Formula ನೆನಪಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Formula ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Don't worry sir. We know the technique to solve. Formula ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ sir. Don't take tension sir. We have a technique to find. Don't take tension. Right, they will ask you to find out the tension in this case. They will ask you to find out the tension in this case. Tension find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. You can find out the tension. Or else we have a standard formula for this. 2 times of m1 m2 into g divided by m1 plus m2. You can remember this to find out the tension in case of fully, or you can solve our previous step. Now step na use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, or else you can use the formula to find out the tension. So derivation ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. We don't want the derivation. Remember this directly. To find out the tension, remember this directly. T is equals to 2 times of m1 m2 by m1 m2 g divided by m1. Acceleration find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. formula ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ don't take tension. I'm not asking you to remember the formula for these cases. If I know the concepts, you can solve very easily. If you want to find out the tension, if you forget the formula, don't take tension. We can find out the tension, right? Shall we start solving a problem based on this concept? Combination of these two.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Observe. First question. Combination of inclined plane and pulley. Combination of inclined plane and pulley. IP and P problems. Inclination with an angle 30 degree. Pulley is here. The mass is tagged here. Mass is there. It is connected like this, and I have one more box. The mass of the first box is m1, and mass of the second box is m2. This is m1 and this is m2. What else they will give? They will not give anything apart from this. Right? They will ask you to find out acceleration. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. They will ask you to find out an acceleration. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Only this much they will give. Only this much. You have to calculate who is greater here. M1 greater, M2 greater, ನೀವೇ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಮೊಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ ಪುಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್, ಇವನ್ ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್, ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್, ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್. We had to calculate which force is greater here, whether this force acting is greater or this force acting is greater. Adu first find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in case of pulley. Observe.
Sir, it depends on mg sin theta ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
It depends on force. ಇಲ್ಲಿ body hang ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ m2 is the body mass of this body. Observe carefully. ಇಲ್ಲಿ weight ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? m2 into g na, right? Correct? I am applying a force m2
Yes, sir.
in this direction, and I am this force, e force ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? m1 g sin theta. m1 g sin theta. One general formula, one general problem ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ think about the values. ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ನೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Let me take it as theta. ಒಂದು ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ we will consider m2 is greater than m1 ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. ಬಾಡಿ is moving in this direction and it is moving in this direction. ವಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ m2g responsible force, m1g sin theta is opposing force, is equals to m1 plus m2 into a. You can find out the value of a with the help of this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So one ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ
ಸರ್ ನಾವು m1 ನ ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್?
weight acting two directions ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? weight is acting in two directions.
ಸರ್ m2 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
m2 downward, exactly downwards ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
m2 is exactly downwards, m1 is exactly downwards. We have to resolve it into two components. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದೇನು m1g sin theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದೇನು mg,
m2g ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
m2g ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ an angle 30 degree. Mass of this is m. M is the mass of this body and it is connected to a pulley, and mass of this block is again m. Find a. They ask you to find out the value. Observe carefully now. Serious abali, idon problem marku find out manna. Observe carefully now. The weight acting on this body is m into g na?
Yes.
Sir. The force acting on this body is in this direction.
mg sin theta.
mg sin 30 degree. Correct?
Yes.
Theta is equal to 30 degree. If mg sin 30 degree ಆದರೆ therefore ಈ ಲೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ mg
by 2. Yes sir.
mg divided by 2 is acting in this direction. mg is acting in this direction. Which is greater here? mg is greater than this, sir?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then the body will start to move in this direction with an acceleration a. The body will start to move in this direction with an acceleration here. We will find out this acceleration here by considering a boundary. Who is responsible for momentum of a body? M into g. Who is opposing this? mg by 2.
mg by 2.
Who is opposing this? mg by 2 is equals to 2 times of m into a. Correct? 2 times of m into a. Here m common ಇದೆ, common ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. 2g minus g divided by 2 is equals to 2 times of m into a. This m and this m will get cancelled. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, g by 2 is equals to 2 times of a. Therefore a is equals to g by 4.
Yes sir.
We found an answer for this.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಎರಡು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಗಿವ್ 5 kg and 6 kg ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ 5 kg and 6 kg ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 5 kg ಇದು 6 kg 6 divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 divided by
3.
2 less than 5 kg ನಾ
yes,
ಸರ್
sir.
ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನು ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟಾನಾ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಹಾ ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಸರಿ
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಈಸಿ
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು
ಐ ನೀಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೌ
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ 5 kg 6 kg ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 kg ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ದ
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 into 10 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ
ಹೌದು ಕಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್
5
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
into 10 50 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಹಾ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಹಾ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ತಗೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡೆ
ಅವಾಗ 50 minus 3 is equal to ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಮಾಡು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಿನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೋಣ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 6 kg correct connected with a thread and mass of this is 5 kg downward force acting is 50 newton if angle of inclination is 30 so this will become 6 into
1/2 3 sir
10 into sin is 1/2 sin 30 is 1/2 so
yes sir mg sin
so the total force acting on this is 30 newton
yes sir
in direction 30 in direction 50 therefore accelerate in this direction find an acceleration 50 minus 30 is equals to 5 into a so therefore let's put the 20 is equal
20 is equal to 5 a is equal to 4 meter per second square
feet upon seconds
yes sir
so we'll meet again tomorrow
ಸರ್ ಮಾಸ್ 5 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 50 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್